Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Glitzhome 13.25-inch wooden birdhouse, designed with a charming church style. Made from natural wood and metal, this handmade birdhouse features hand-painted wooden planks and a sturdy metal roof for durability against rain and wind. Its vintage, rustic design adds elegance to any garden or indoor space, making it a perfect gift for bird lovers. Installation is simple with a hanging ring on top, and cleaning is hassle-free thanks to a convenient back panel door. Measuring 7 by 4.75 by 13.25 inches, it offers a cozy home for your feathered friends while enhancing your outdoor decor. Enjoy the perfect blend of style and function with this unique birdhouse. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.